Retiring in Thailand with Social Security, living your dream retirement. Many Americans dream of spending their retirement years in exotic locales like Thailand, a land of stunning landscapes, rich culture, and importantly, affordable living costs. Thailand has emerged as a top choice for retirees seeking a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. In this article, we'll explore how retired Americans can leverage their Social Security benefits to lead a fulfilling life in Thailand, covering critical aspects such as maximum benefit amounts, the cost of living, and practical financial considerations. Understanding Social Security benefits. The Social Security Administration, SSA, provides a safety net for retirees, offering a range of benefits based on your earnings history. As of 2023, the maximum possible Social Security benefit for someone retiring at full retirement age is $3,627. While the actual amount may vary based on your work history and when you start receiving benefits, this income can form a significant part of your retirement finances. Cost of living in Thailand. Thailand's reputation as an affordable retirement destination is well earned. The cost of living is notably lower than in many parts of the United States. Here's a breakdown of approximate monthly expenses for retirees in Thailand. 1. Rent, one-bedroom apartment in a city center, $400 to $500 per month. 2. Food, groceries, breakfast, lunch, and dining out, $350 to $500 per month. 3. Entertainment, enjoying local attractions, leisure activities, and making new friends, $100 to $200 per month. 4. Utilities, including electricity, water, internet, and mobile packages, $50 to $100 per month. 5. Healthcare, basic medical expenses and health insurance, $60 to $150 per month. 6. Transportation, local transport and occasional trips, approximately $200 per month, varies based on your outings. This rough estimate puts the total monthly expenses for a comfortable retirement lifestyle in Thailand at around $100 to $1,650, leaving room for savings and unexpected costs. Maximizing your Social Security benefits. To make the most of your retirement experience in Thailand using your Social Security benefits, consider these strategies. 1. Budgeting. Carefully plan your monthly budget to ensure your Social Security income covers essential expenses while allowing for leisure activities and savings. 2. Healthcare. Research and invest in comprehensive health insurance that covers your medical needs while abroad. Thailand offers quality healthcare services at a fraction of the cost in the US. 3. Cultural integration. Immerse yourself in the local culture to enhance your experience. Engaging with the community can lead to meaningful connections and cost-effective entertainment options. 4. Housing. Opt for accommodations slightly away from touristy areas to secure a better deal on rent. Apartments or houses often include amenities like swimming pools and gyms, offering comfortable living options. 5. Local cuisine. Explore local eateries, known for their affordability and delicious offerings. Thai street food is not only budget-friendly, but also a flavorful culinary experience, turning retirement dreams into reality. If retiring in Thailand is your dream, it's more attainable than you might think. With approximately 800,000 Thai baht or $25,000 saved up, you can obtain a retirement visa that allows you to enjoy an extended stay in Thailand, perfect for a fulfilling retirement. This financial cushion provides security, allowing you to use your Social Security benefits to comfortably cover your expenses while relishing the charms of Thailand. Planning ahead is crucial for a smooth transition into your retirement adventure. It's advisable to start your retirement planning early to ensure everything falls into place seamlessly. If you're contemplating retiring in Thailand, reach out to us. We can assist you in obtaining a retirement visa while you're still in your home country, facilitate your move, help you find suitable accommodation, create a budget tailored to your financial goals, and even assist you in forming meaningful connections in Thailand. Your dream of a joyful retirement in Thailand, powered by your Social Security benefits, is within reach, and we'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on another captivating episode of My Journey with Frenchy in Thailand. Don't forget to show your support by clicking the like button, hitting the subscribe button, and leaving a comment about this video. Always remember, you have greatness inside of you, and wishing you a truly amazing and blessed day ahead.